how to use the normalize effect in Audacity. So, when you're recording your tracks in Audacity, there's a good chance that your mic might always be at just the right decibel for the optimal recording volume. So what you can do is use the normalize effect to basically produce that correct volume that people might be used to listening to. So what we'll go ahead and do here is just record a little track, and then I'll show you how to use the effect. This is me just creating a short little track here to show the purpose of the effect. Okay, so we have our audio clip here. You'll notice that the decibel ranges are fairly, close together. So if we listen to me just creating a short little track here to show the purpose of the effect. So it's pretty simple, pretty alright. If we hit Control A, select the entire track, go to Effect, and then select on the Normalize option. It will then give us a couple options to normalize our track. So remove DC offset, center on 0 vertically. Basically gets rid of this 0 center. Normalize peak amplitude. So rather than leaving it at -1, it's going to go to what its normalized should be. And we can always select the normalized stereo channels independently. We're just going to leave it on the default settings. Go ahead and select on OK. And you notice that the track's wavelengths have gotten slightly larger. So if we go ahead and hit play, it'll be a little bit louder. This is me just creating a short little track here to show the purpose of the effect. And so basically from using that, my voice comes out slightly clearer and a little bit more enthused and emphasized. So that is how you use the normalize effect in Audacity.